Let's chit chat about how this course works. Guys, this is a jam-packed course. I am merging all the basic fundamentals into one action-packed course. So some of these skills may take days, weeks, months, years to master, but don't get frustrated. Also, I have listed everything in a recommended order. Sometimes things happen in a different order, but that is a-okay. Just the main thing, the basics. Make sure you warm up. Make sure you know how to fall safely. Make sure you look out for traffic around you. We love to have fun, but safety is vital. Usually during a private lesson, we go back and forth, right? I give some instruction. I watch my student do the skill a few times. I give some feedback. We make some adjustments and we go back and forth. So with this virtual course, there's no back and forth. I'm giving you all the instruction. You are doing all the skills. So feel free to watch, rinse and repeat as many times as you need to. Guys, this is a lifetime access course. If you need more assistance, I am here to help you. Send me an email, sign up below under additional resources. Happy to add on a video review so we can do that back and forth virtually, just like an in-person private lesson. Or even better, we can do a Zoom lesson where we do off ice or on ice at your time and convenience, as often or as sporadic as you would like, depending on your schedule. And guys, we all say it, practice makes perfect. Usually with sports, I say if you have an hour lesson time, think anywhere from a 2:4 to 1 ratio. So if you have an hour lesson time, that might equal to anywhere from 2 to 4 hours of practicing whatever is covered in that lesson. So we have a lot of material here, guys. If you make it once a week, great. Once a month, great. The more you practice, the quicker you'll progress. If you don't have the time, that's okay. Just be patient with yourself and trust your training and trust the process. Lastly, the right equipment is crucial. So when you're starting off this course, if you're still working on marching, gliding, stopping, rental skates are perfectly fine. But if you get to a certain level, if you're starting to work on crossovers and more backwards skating, I do recommend getting your own pair of skates. There is a certain point that the equipment will limit you. So if you invest in the right equipment sooner, if skating, hockey is truly what you want to do, then go for it. I do recommend going to your local skate tech. You don't have to buy things new. They do often have used sections. If you have a professional skate fitting, I've seen tons of great deals on Facebook Marketplace, for example, eBay, your local skating club, or just ask around. The skating director at your rink would be a good resource as well, or your local skating club.